Hey everybody, Metalhead Wife here. I did a little shopping today. I am visiting family in New Jersey, my home state, but I have an Alabama shirt on. Hi! So anyway, but today I hit up Tiffany and I hit up Pandora. And I initially had a little bit of a bigger budget for Tiffany, but unfortunately taxes made that not pan out, and that's okay. The way I look at it is, I'm grateful that I'm able to pay for taxes. Me and my husband were able to do that, and I was still able to bring home a blue box. So, with no further ado, I went to the Tiffany in Rebag, New Jersey. It is literally 15 minutes or less away from my mother's house in Rumson. This is what I can thank the LVMH acquisition for. Not a big fan of the huge price hikes, as we all well know, but I do love that it comes in a blue box instead of a black velvet box. Thank you for that. So, just got myself a little something something. Let me hold this out here a little bit. Okay. I treated myself to an 18 karat rose gold Tiffany Smile bracelet, T-Smile bracelet. I am excited about it. Excited. I tried on lots of beautiful things that were not currently in my price range, but with time shall be. And I have a feeling that the lock is going to be a big contender. A big contender. I really liked it. I also tried on the T1 narrow bangle. I didn't try on the T1 large bangle, but we decided that that would compete with what I already have here. The T1 narrow bangle went well, and the Tiffany lock went well with my current stack. Okay? And this also did. Now, this is much more petite and small, but this was within my budget. I try to stick within a budget because you know what? I feel good about buying when I'm buying within my budget. When I go outside of my budget and I have to scramble and make some whatever, plans because I went out of my budget, I hate to tell you, but it doesn't feel quite the same. We will come back to this in about 2 weeks or so, and I will wear the heck out of it, and then I will give you my thoughts and reviews on the wearability of the rose gold Tiffany T-Smile bracelet. But I am excited. I got the blue box. That's what matters. Now, I did purchase the Tiffany T-Smile bracelet pre-loved. I am wearing a regular crew neck t-shirt here, but let me see if I can pull you in so you can have a look. Now, I have been wearing this the past couple of weeks every single day. I don't take it off. And I love it. It's comfortable. I usually wear it in the shorter, but I wore a little longer today because of this, so it could peep out. And I love this so much that I realized if I got the bracelet, I'd probably love it just as much too. So, win-win. It's great. I highly recommend this. I was deciding between this excuse me, and a Cartier d'Amour diamond. And I'll be honest with you, I buy Cartier for their distinctive pieces. I feel like I can get a diamond solitaire anywhere. I'll tell you what's distinctive about Cartier though, but here's one more look. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Cartier is distinctive though because of their chain. Very sparkly chain. And that was a definite, I really was considering it just because of that, but I held off. I wanted something more distinctive, so I got the Tiffany T-Smile, and I'm very happy with it. Tiffany and Cartier, I love them, but I also want distinctive pieces. If it's something that I could get at a jeweler, the Clash, the Juste un Clou, very distinctive. The T-Smile, distinctive. I want things that don't necessarily scream it, but it's design. I'm not saying I want a logo on it, but it's a design. But the T, it incorporates a T, and it's a smile. It's a positive. It reminds me to be positive every day. That's why I like it. Anyway, I also went to Pandora. I do not have a Pandora store near me either. And as if you will recall, in my last video, I had purchased a Pandora Rose open bangle. Well, I got the bangle, and I believe that I mentioned something about the stoppers. The stoppers on the bangle were sliding all over the place. These stoppers, they were not stopping anything. One kind of stopped a charm, the other one, forget it. So I brought this in, and not only that, I also went up a size. I had gotten the 6.9, and I thought I was happy with it, and it felt good. But to be honest, I knew that I was going to exchange this for one that would function properly, so I didn't wear it at all. I put it on once, did a video for it, that was it. This one is the next size up, and I have to be honest with you, it fits a lot better. Now you might say, oh, the balls are look at the ball caps, right? But understand that it goes halfway through, so these actually line up. And then once I put a charm on here, it even goes up more. So these all have the same movement. So I actually am glad that I exchanged it for a bigger size. It really does matter when you go and you try things on the store. But I'll be honest with you, I live in an area where you really can't do that. It's really hard to go and try things on. My closest Pandora is in Florida. That's like an hour and a half, 2 hours. My closest Tiffany is 3.5 hours away in Atlanta. It gets tiresome. And sometimes I just want to be like, forget it. I just want to order online. But I'm trying to learn to be more patient and really try things on. But very happy with it. Now, I also decided to get something else. Because I'm in New Jersey, sales taxes are lower. Why not take advantage? Still keeping within my budget. Excuse me. I'll drink of water here. Why does it taste better in this cup? I don't know. I hope my mother will let me take this cup home. I love this cup. It's plastic, but there's something about it. Makes the water taste better. Psychological trick? Sure. Anyway. So, for those of you that are familiar with Chinese astrology, it is the year of the rabbit. I was born in the year of the rabbit. And I'm thinking, let's celebrate this. Let's make it my year. So I wanted a rabbit charm. Now, this is my Pandora bracelet. I have several. I wear all my gold charms on this one. My 14 karat solid gold charms. So let's see here. Let's start. Now, and I love stars. So star, and I have a traditional safety chain. I have this guy, 14 karat gold. This is a little star, 14 karat gold on a sterling silver bail. This is a 14 karat gold clip. I have the queen bee. She's 14 karat gold. Get a little closer here for y'all. Then my other clip. That actually has real diamonds in it. They don't do that anymore. Now all their diamonds are lab created. That is a mined diamond. This one, you may not see it very well, but it's a star cut out. And that's all I have for gold. Oh, and then I have my lovely old Hamsa. Always got to be protected. I'm a big fan of Evil Eyes, Hamsas, all that sort of stuff. So I wanted a rabbit. And they had a Pandora Rose rabbit. It had like a red heart that was holding and pink eyes, and there was Pandora Rose, and I was like, I'm not feeling that. That's not really me. I don't know if you could tell or not, but I'm not really a pink heart kind of person. But I am into history. I do like certain things a certain way. I decided I found a rabbit at Pandora. This is, let me see now. Let me make sure I have him hanging properly. This is Oswald. He was the first Disney character ever created by Walt Disney before Mickey Mouse. He is sterling silver, but he's grasping in his hand a lab-created diamond, and he's got his shorts on, and those are solid 14 karat gold shorts. I want 14 karat gold shorts. Who doesn't? So he was the first character ever, like I said, and I thought this will be, and I really liked him. And I said, he looks familiar. They said he's a rabbit. I'm like, I'm not one for dangles on my Pandora bracelets. I have the Hamsa, I have the star, but you'll notice they're very small. But he's going on here, and I'm going to enjoy it. I do also have some other two-tone charms at home, but I have to shine them up. And they cleaned my bracelet at the Pandora, and I don't know what they do there. It must be some sort of witchcraft, but it's not what I can do at home. It is way shinier, way nicer. I am so impressed with how much brighter my gold looks. It's amazing. I'm just like, what do you do to it? Because anyway, so folks, that's all I've got. Pandora gave me excellent customer service and happily exchanged my bracelet and also let me get a bigger size. Very satisfied with that. I'm very happy that I finally got a rabbit charm to celebrate the year of the rabbit. I'm also very happy that I was able to go to Tiffany and get my lovely blue box. I also was able to even pick up something for my husband from Tiffany. He's not really a jewelry guy, but he's a silver guy, and I can work with that. So I got something for him too. All in all, I'm very satisfied. I stayed within my budget. I'm very satisfied with everything I got. And like I said, I'll be back in a couple of weeks or so. I'm going to do a wear and tear review and wearability review of my Tiffany Smile bracelet. And also any other feedback I have on the charm and any other wearability issues. If any of you have any questions, please post below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I don't do regular videos. I do them when I can. I like the house to be quiet and alone, and that doesn't always happen. But I am taking the opportunity while I'm at my mother's to do it because it's very quiet and I am quite alone. Anyway, everybody have a great week, and I hope that you enjoy my little video. And like I said, in a couple of weeks, I will do an update. I'm going to pop that bracelet on, and I'm going to let you know how it works out. And I'm just going to wear it. I'm not going to baby it. I'm just going to wear it as if I would normally wear it, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, everybody, thank you so much. Have a great week, and rock on. Thanks again.